Hello everyone. On behalf of the Indian Institute of Food Processing Technology under the Ministry of Food Processing Industries, I welcome you all for the video demonstration session on the preparation of handmade pickle under capacity building activity of the PMFME scheme. Today in this documentary, we are going to tell you about how to make pickles without using vinegar and machines. Yes, you can start an industry that does not require any machinery, and this industry is known as the pickle industry. Pickle or achar is one product that is consumed in every Indian household. It is sour or acidic in taste, but it makes our normal food delicious and tasty. In Indian households, pickle holds a special position, and due to its high consumption, the pickle making business becomes one of the most profitable business. The most important factor to make this business successful is the recipe to make the pickles. If your pickle is made from a good recipe and tastes well, only then it will be able to attract customers. And in this industrial documentary, we bring you detailed information about pickle making business. The raw materials required to prepare pickles: mango, carrot, green chili, ginger, turnip, lemon, locust cucumber, etc. Spices like fenugreek, fennel, black mustard, cumin, carom, yellow seed, kalonji seeds, etc. and mustard oil are used in making pickles. Now let's talk about the process. To make pickles, you have to procure the vegetables or fruit first and then wash them in a tub. After that, you have to spread and mix all the spices properly and store the pickle in the drum for approx 72 hours after dressing them with spices and oil. After this, you have to fill the drum with mustard oil and your product is ready. Now you can pack the product and supply it in the market. The product that we prepare is chemical free and without the help of vinegar, because vinegar is unhealthy for our health. And most people like this pickle because of the same reason. Let's talk about land and building now. To start this unit, you will require an area of approx 1000 square feet. You will need an area of 800 square feet covered for running this business. Plant and machinery. The total cost of starting this plant with semi-automatic machines will be approx rupees 4 lakh plus GST. Whereas, if you start this business with manual processing tools and equipments as in the video, then the total cost of the plant will be approx rupees 1 lakh. The cost will depend on your automatic or semi-automatic plant. And apart from the core plant, miscellaneous machinery and tools, you will also need equipments in this business. Talking about the additional assets. The additional assets that you will require are electrical installation, power panel, etc., DG sets, furnitures and fixtures. Electricity. To start this business, you will need a 2 kilowatt electricity load. Manpower. You can start this business smoothly with 4 to 5 workers, in which skilled and unskilled labor and manager, etc. are included. Let's walk towards knowing how much investments is to be made to start this business and how much profit you can earn from this business. Expected monthly turnover. When we talk about the monthly turnover, if you are running the plant at 100% capacity for an 8-hour shift per day, then you can sell up to rupees 2.5 to 3 lakh. Expected monthly profit. When we talk about the monthly profits, then after deducting factory expenses, sales and admin expenses, you can earn approx rupees 40,000 to 50,000 per month. But the before mentioned figures can increase or decrease according to the change in nature, size, change in nature, size and investments of the business. The licenses that you require to start this business are GST, Udyam FSSAI, trademark, schemes applicable, Mudra, PMEGP, PMFME, Stand Up India. Micro food processing enterprises planning to promote their enterprise can avail credit linked capital subsidy at 35% of the project cost. The maximum subsidy can be up to rupees 10 lakh per enterprise. The beneficiary's contribution should be a minimum of 10% and the remaining amount should be loaned from the bank. The scheme will provide assistance to FPOs, SHGs, producer cooperatives for capital investment along the entire value chain with 35% credit linked grants.